Okay, guys, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, salam, namaste, and sasrikal. I hope you all are doing great and hopefully also making some profits from the markets. So, I think there should be no issues with the audio or video because the video I can already see, and I hope there are no issues. So if you think everything is working fine, please send a message in the chat box and I will also look at your questions, guys. So there are some comments and compliments. Manoj Patra ji, good evening. Trader Wild ji, sir, big fan here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Trader Wild ji. You are really very kind. You are always very kind. Vikash Gupta ji is saying best teacher sir Saeed. Thank you so much, Vikash ji. Thank you really. That means a lot. Assalamu alaikum sir. I am thankful for your wonderful series. Thank you so much, Muin ji. Thank you for coming, Muin ji. Piyush ji is saying, sir, please explain reaccumulation and redistribution. Okay. I will write down your questions, guys, over here, and I will discuss them a little bit later. So questions from you guys will be written over here and I will answer them a little bit later, as you know. So reaccumulation and redistribution, right? So that's what you are asking about. Reaccumulation, redistribution. That was the question. Prabir Roy ji, namaste Prabir Roy ji. Nubi Mark ji is saying, I just chicken TP on gold. Anyone gain any profits today? Well, yes, Nubi Mark ji, I made pretty good profits today on the gold, and I will explain my profits today a little bit later. Okay, so I will consider this as a question. Nubi Mark ji, I will consider this as a question. Any profits on XAU USD today? There were plenty of profits, only if you knew how to gain those trades. I just chicken SL on gold. Anyone gain? Okay. Nubi Mark ji, good evening. Manoj Patra, all okay. Thank you so much, Manoj Patra and Prabir Roy ji, for your messages. Audio clear. Nubi Mark ji, thank you. Sharad ji is saying good evening. Okay, good evening. Thank you so much, Sharad ji, for coming. And we are going to start our discussion now. Good evening. Good evening, Lokesh Patel ji. Okay, guys. So today the topic, as you know, is about the Wyckoff in weak markets. So what is Wyckoff? You already know, you already have a good idea about the Wyckoff theory and Wyckoff trading method, but of course I will explain it a little bit in, not in a lot of details, but just briefly I will explain this, of course, for you to understand, and I will also give you some ideas about how to trade Wyckoff theory, according to Wyckoff theory, in the weak markets. So what are weak markets, guys? What are the weak markets? The weak markets are the markets in which, well, very simply put, weak markets are the ones in which the things are just falling. The sky is falling. Everybody is rushing out. So weak market means, one, either it is a downtrend, it can mean downtrend, it can actually mean downtrend, or it can also mean the end of uptrend. Okay, so these are the two broad definitions of weak markets. Papu Bhai ji, walaikum salam. Okay, so these are the weak markets. And how do we know if the market is weak or strong? Well, I will give you some ideas about that. How to understand that thing, I will give you some ideas about that. So let's go to GBP USD today, because I traded two things today. I traded GBP USD and then I traded gold. Okay, so these are the simple strategies which I am going to discuss with regards to the weak markets today. So guys, you might be wondering how to trade trades in the weak markets and in strong markets, right? So first you need to understand that there are some things which you will be able to understand only and only if you understand Wyckoff market analysis. So what is Wyckoff market analysis? If I just discuss it very simply, then it means that Wyckoff theory, according to the Wyckoff theory, which is about trading and markets, there are 4 stages of the market. 4 stages of market. 4 stages. And which are the 4 stages? Well, I hope you guys already know about these stages, but I will just briefly explain them. So the first one is accumulation and mark up, and then there is distribution, and then mark down. And guys, just in case you forgot about these 4 stages, if you sometimes forget, then this will be there to help you. So how do you remember these 4 stages? Well, it's very simple. So just write down a Q from accumulation, and mark up, M for mark and U for up. So a Q and move, and then you have distribution. So just write down DI means distribution, and then down, just write down full. So what's this? This is an acronym. So we are trying to make a small chunk which can be turned into a single word so that we can understand and remember this thing. So if you add up all these 4 things, what do you get? You get this Q, move, D, down. So just remember this one word, accumulate down. Accumulate down means accumulation, markup, distribution, mark down. Sharat ji is asking, sir, explain GBP JPY. Okay, so these are the trade recommendations. Guys, you can ask me about trading recommendations today and I will give you. Okay, so recommendations. Okay, so you are asking about what? GJ. So you are asking about GJ. I will give you the GJ recommendation. GJ, what's the meaning of GJ? So GJ is very simply GBP over JPY. So we can simply call this GJ. GJ means GBP JPY. I will give you the recommendation about GBP JPY in the end. Okay, so you guys can also ask me about more recommendations and I will entertain your questions as well as your recommendations. You want to ask me about Bitcoin, about Ethereum or Litecoin or any other crypto or Euro USD, whatever, I will write down here and I will take your questions in the end. Okay, so I am going to write down everything you ask me. All right, guys, so you can ask me okay, so guys, you can keep them coming. In the meantime, I will discuss Wyckoff theory and we will especially focus on the downtrending markets or the ones that we call weak markets. Okay, so according to Wyckoff theory, there are 4 stages of the market. One is accumulation, then markup, and then distribution, and then mark down. So these are the 4 stages, as you guys already know. Now we won't discuss about accumulation and markup because we have already discussed this thing in our previous webinar, which was on last Wednesday. So just in case if you missed the webinar in which we discussed about accumulation and markup, you can go back and watch that webinar. Okay, so USD CHF. Okay, somebody is asking about USD CHF. Who is asking? Wasim Mohammed ji is asking about USD CHF. Okay, I will give you that. Google Raj ji, hi. Taranpreet Singh ji is asking about Euro USD. Taranpreet ji, I have already written Euro USD, so we will discuss that. Okay, so let's go ahead now. And I told you that the weak markets are the ones which we will focus today. And guys, I hope you are able to understand my English. I'm trying to make it very simple so that everybody can understand. If you don't understand any word or any sentence, you can always ask me about that. Okay, so please don't hesitate in asking me anything which you don't understand. I always like questions. Okay, so you can always give me the questions. Google Rajji. Okay, Bijay Kumar is asking about USD JPY. I will write down USD JPY And there is one more question from whom? From Google Rajji is asking, gold is now sideways. What will happen, sir? Goes up or down or sideways? Google Rajji, currently I don't know because I'm not focusing on gold, but I will tell you my today's trades in gold. I took some trades today in gold and I will share my trades with you, okay, in a short while. So I will tell you. Josh G is asking, is Berry Exchange crypto credible or not? I don't know about that, Josh G. You can just search online because this question does not pertain to trading. So you can ask me any question about trading or recommendation, you can ask me, but I don't know about these things. So let's go ahead, guys, and I want to discuss about the downtrending Wyckoff structure. So what happens is actually that market goes up, let's say it normal, so it is going above the uptrend channel. So what will happen normally what will happen is that the market will react from this point and it will probably come down, but don't sell yet, okay? Don't sell yet, just wait for the market to come down, okay? So wait for the market to come down. So what happens is that, let's say the market comes down over here just like this. So this we will call as the beginning of a distribution. So what do? We will label these situations as such. So first of all, we will write down that this is BC and BC is the buying climax, okay? So this is buying climax. Why do I say this is buying climax? And by the way, you will also see that the volumes will be larger than the normal. So let's say these are the normal volumes, okay? So these are the normal volumes. So you can see the normal volumes are like this. The volumes over the BC over here will be ultra high volumes, ultra high. Why? Because somebody is trying to pull down the market. Somebody is trying to pull the market down, okay? So what do? You will be very careful over here. Don't just sell yet, not now, because the market will give you enough opportunities, and I can even show you these opportunities on real charts. So don't worry about this, there will be so many opportunities. Just wait and watch this situation, and you can see that there is a lot of volume, but the market is not going up, rather it is coming down. That means this could be, we are not sure, but this could be the beginning of a distribution. Why we are not sure? And you can ask me this question, sir, is there anyone in the world who can be sure about the markets? Well, guys, the answer is there is not a single person in the world who can be sure about the markets. So what do? We will play according to the market structure. We cannot be sure about anything. We will just bet on the probabilities, okay? So what happens is that the market goes up one more time. Now you compare the waves. Guys, I have already taught you to think in terms of waves. Always think in terms of waves. What do you see over here? The up waves are bigger than down waves. That's why the market is going up. But over here, you have first down wave, which is big, very big down wave. But then the market starts going up, and now you see that the upward movement, the upside movement of the market is very slow. So you see the market is behaving with a lot of weakness. You can say with a lot of confidence that over here the market is not strong, the market seems to be weak. What do? You will wait for the market to give you an opportunity, and there you have an opportunity, one more opportunity in the form of an overbought. What do? Nothing yet. Don't do anything yet. Just wait. Papu Boy is saying, thanks for encouraging to ask about English. However, it is very good and English to understand because of pronouncing. Okay, thank you so much, Papu Boy ji. I hope you understand everything which I say. Okay, if you don't understand anything, just ask me anytime. I will be glad to answer your questions, guys. Alright, so what's happening over here? the market is going up, and now it is also overbought in this trend channel, in this black trend channel, and you have background which is showing weakness. Why do I say that the background is weak? Because you see the down wave was strong, but the up wave is not strong. So what do? You prepare over here so that you can sell the market. Not now, because the market will go down, only then you can sell. So what happens is, here you have a bar like this, a bar which will be like this. You see a bar like this, what do? When you see a bar like this, what's this, guys? This is an up thrust. And I will give you a lot of examples, real life examples of up thrust today in today's market. Okay, I will give you a lot of examples, so don't worry about this. But I hope you understand that this right here is the up thrust. So if this is an up thrust, that means what? That means now the market will go down. So what do? You will sell over here. You will put your SL just above the highest bar, and then you will put your TP around these levels, and believe me, this is going to be a fantastic trade. Astino Entertainment G, I will discuss USD CHF on 4-hour time frame. Okay, I will discuss that. I have already written over here, you can see I have written that I will discuss this. Okay, so I will discuss. You can ask me any questions, and you can also ask me about the trading recommendations. I will give you all of that. Okay, just bear with me. So guys, what's happening over here is that the market went up and then above this level, and then it falls down. So when it falls down, that is your opportunity. There is your opportunity. So that's where you will make a sell trade over here and target this level. So now let's go and see what are the examples of upthrust. So this is an upthrust. Okay, I will give you the real life examples of upthrust in gold, in GBP USD, in Euro USD, in any currency you want. So you can also ask me to give you the examples of upthrust in your currency, in whatever currency you like. Okay, so you want to ask me about USD CHF, I will give you the examples of upthrust in USD CHF. In whatever time frame you ask me, there are so many examples which I will show you in a short while. Don't worry about that. Now what happens is that the market falls down from here, but then it falls like this. It falls like this. So you see the downward pressure is a lot. What happens? The market falls down over here, and then it slowly goes up. So this is what we call a weak rally. A weak rally. And then suddenly this happens like this. What do? You put the SL of this trade on break even. First, always move your SL to break even when the market goes in your favor. So let's say this green line right over here is your SL. Guys, please pay attention. You see, this is your SL. When you are making a sell trade, you will put your SL over here, right? But when the market comes down to this level, you will move your SL beyond break even, so that now even if the market goes up and it hits your SL, you will not take any loss. So this is your free position. This is a free trade. Nothing to worry about, right? This is a free position. Richard Wyckoff called this in his books. He called this one free position. So this is a free, this one right here is a free position. And when you have this free position, you are also free to enter on another trade. And there you have your one more trading opportunity. What do? Just sell again over here. Just sell again. So when you sell over here, you put your SL over here and put your TP right here. And this will give you 3.5%. So then what happens is the market falls down like this and you get your TPs hit. So you got 2 TPs hit simultaneously and you made double the amount of normal money. Can you do this practically in the market? Yes, you can do this. I normally do this. Not every single day, because every day we don't get trades like this, But trust me, there are so many trades in the market which can give you the opportunities just like this. And then what happens is the market slowly goes up, slowly, very, very slowly goes up. You see the market, the way the market is going up, it will tell you that the market is unable to go up. And when the market is unable to go up, you will also see declining volumes. So what happens to the volumes is that you have volumes which are just like this. So this is, let's say this is your volume, okay? So you have declining volumes. Maybe the volume here will be good, but then you have declining volumes. So small volume, smaller and smaller volumes. You have smaller and smaller volumes. Very, very thin volumes. So you see, when the market is going up, the volumes are decreasing. What do? You can get another selling opportunity. Not yet, not yet. Don't be in a hurry, because the market will always punish you if you are in a hurry, and market will always reward you if you are patient. So what happens is the market gives you another selling opportunity right over here, just like this. Just like this. What do? You make another sell trade. Why? Because you see that the volume of this bar is red and it is more than the previous green volumes. The green volumes are declining, and then you have sudden red bar and the volume increases. What do? You will make another sell trade just over here. Put your SL at this point and put your TP right around this level. You have another wonderful trade. So guys, this is how you will trade the weak markets. Then what do? The market comes down, okay? The market goes down like this and it hits your TP. What do? You will make a trend channel. Guys, I have already told you these things. Please don't forget our training. So what do? You make another trend channel. From where? From this point and like this, just like this. Because you might get another opportunity. So what do? You clone this one and clone this red line and put it on this level. And then you see something like this. The market again goes up, a little bit up, a little bit up. Slowly, slowly, slowly it goes up. And then it hits this trend channel. But then it gives you another opportunity like this. What do? You make another sell trade right over here. Why? Because this is overbought, isn't it? This is overbought in the trend channel, and it is also coming down, especially if you see the similar volume patterns just like this. If you see similar volume patterns, this is another wonderful, wonderful opportunity to sell. So the volumes will be just like this. I am going to copy these volumes and paste them over here. So these are the volumes, okay? You can see that the volumes, the green volumes are declining. When the market is going up, the green volumes are coming down. And when you have a red bar, the market gives you high volume or ultra high volume. What do? Just make another sell trade. What will happen? It will happen like this. And now this time, what's your target? What's your target? So when you sell like this, you will put your sell over here and your SL will be here, and this time you will target the bottom of the trend channel, guys. This is where you put your TP. And what happens? The market goes down like this, like this, like this, and like this. It hits your TP. So this is how you trade in the weak markets. Again and again and again and again, you have so many opportunities, guys. So many opportunities, come on. So let me quickly give you a recap of the story. First, you will have a distribution structure just like this, and how it will start? It will start with the overbought. So this is overbought plus buying climax. And how do you know that this is buying climax? Well, you will have increased volumes, ultra high volumes like this, and the market will come down with a reaction. Please don't make any sell trade over here. Not yet, not yet. Please be patient. because patience is a very big virtue in trading, guys. So don't make any sell trade over here. Why? Because the market will give you an opportunity. It will come down and then slowly go up. So there you will have your opportunity. Just sell here and the market falls down. And then you have another opportunity because the market is unable to rally. The market is unable to go up. You have another opportunity over here. Just make another sell trade. The market falls down. It goes up again. Slowly it goes up and gives you another opportunity. Just make another sell trade. It falls down. Then it goes up slowly again and gives you another opportunity. Make another sell trade and down. This is how you will trade the weak markets. Now today I will show you how I made the sale trades in GBP USD, and actually also I made some sale trades in the GBP USD and in gold. So I traded gold and GBP USD both today. So guys, what do you do over here? Well, you will stay calm and only focus on the trend channels, and if you get any hint of weakness, just sell. Salindarji is saying, sir, is there any chance to win prices? Salindarji, I don't understand your question. In which market are you asking? In which market? Are you asking about gold? You are asking about GBP USD? Which market? Please specify the markets. Okay guys, so what we will do, initially we will survey the market. And we will see if the market is weak or strong. We don't know yet. So what we will do, we will go back one day. So this is today's market, okay? This blue line is the beginning of today. So this is today's market. So this is yesterday. What do? Just go back a little bit and see the market is falling down or it is going up. So guys, look at this. I told you a distribution will start after an uptrend. So this is an uptrend, right? What do? You make a trend channel. How do you make a trend channel? Well, I think you can make a trend channel like this. Start from here, make a trend channel. Let's make it orange. Clone this trend channel and put it on the other side. So put it over here. Do you see overbought? Yes. Do you see overbought? So this bar right here, is it overbought? Yes. Does it have high volume, ultra high volume? Well, yes. It does have ultra high volume. What happens after this? Just look at this, guys. It is exactly the way I explained. It is exactly following our schematic, which I discussed earlier. You know, schematic means a map of the market. So if you understand the map of the market, this is giving you the exact map of the market. So what happens over here is that the market is giving you a buying climax. So you just call this buying climax. This is BC bar. BC means buying climax. So this is buying climax, right? And if this is buying climax, then the market falls down from here. Look at this. It is giving you a signal that it is falling down. It is giving you an indication. I mean, not a signal which like sell or buy signal. No. I'm saying it is giving you an indication that the market is falling down. And look at this. Earlier the market was not falling. It was only going up and up and up and up. So it has been going up all this time, and then you have the first time when the market is falling like crazy. It is the first time that the market has come down so much. What do? You will label this point as automatic reaction. So this is automatic reaction. After buying climax, you will get automatic reaction. And then what happens? The market goes up, but it comes down from this level. So what do? You make a line over here. Just draw a line. And do you see a selling opportunity over here, guys? Hell yeah. Yes, of course. There is a selling opportunity. And where is the selling opportunity? This is your upthrust, which is a selling opportunity right over here. But this is yesterday's market, guys, okay? Can we trade trend channels in short time frame, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute? Rajesh ji, yes, you can always trade trend channels in all time frames except 1 minute, because 1 minute is too short. If it is a trend channel of 3 or 5 minutes, then you can rely on it. Yes, you can, no problem. Okay, so what do you see over here, guys? Okay, so a pop quiz, short quiz, pop quiz, guys, pop quiz from you guys. I am going to ask you this question. If you answer me, this is going to be great. So there is a quiz, and the quiz is, what is the name of this bar? What is the name of this bar? What do you call this bar? This one. The bar on which I have placed an arrow, what is the name of this bar? I want to see your answers, please. Rajesh ji is saying for scalping, yes, you can always use trend channels for scalping. But my suggestion, my advice for the beginners, you see, if you have already spent 3 years in the markets, then you can do scalping. But if you have spent less than 3 years, then please don't do scalping, because scalping can be dangerous. Okay, so don't do scalping. Ohanis Sarkis ji is saying, hi, today the same pattern formed on GBP USD 1 minute time frame starting 12:38 UTG. Can you please confirm? Thanks. Okay, Ohanis ji, I will confirm this. Yes, I will. Ohanis ji is saying UT. That's right. Nubi Mark is saying upthrust. That's right. Welcome, Rajesh ji. Bijay Kumar is saying UT. That's right. King Prosper ji is saying UTC. No, not UTC. You can call it UT, not UTC. Manoj Patra ji, no, it's not bag holding. It's not bag holding. No. Vidya Dhar ji, it's not bag holding. A key reversal, Praveen ji, you can say it is key reversal, but it is actually a UT key reversal. So you can say it is a UT key reversal. Okay. Satpati ji is saying ERM UT. Yeah, it is UT. It is not ERM. It is not ERM, guys. It is UT. Uptrend, Sharad ji is saying uptrend. No, it's not uptrend. It is UT. It is up thrust. So guys, the answer to this quiz is up thrust. Up thrust, which we call as UT. So this is UT or up thrust. Okay. Sir, BC क्या है? Shah Saud is asking, sir, BC क्या है? Okay, I will explain BC bar. Up thrust bar. Yes, Rajesh ji, right. Astino Entertainment also right. Up thrust, very right. So this is an upthrust bar. So guys, do you see an opportunity to sell over here? Well, yes, you can crush it. Prabir Roy is saying UT. Yes, very right. So what do? Just crush it over here. Sell it. Put your SL over here. And how about TP? Well, you have pretty big TP this time. Why? Look at this. Look at this. What a big TP. What a trade, guys. Come on, look at this. How much? From single trade, you could make 11%. 11%. Just put this trade and leave it. It takes a lot of time for the TP to hit, to get hit, but it did get hit. So the TP was hit, although it took some time. So just sell over here. Thank you, Praveen ji. So very, very simple trade, isn't it? Do you have another trade? Well, yes. Just look at this. So this is fall through ice and then the market is going up, but you cannot do anything, of course, over here. What happens? The market goes up again and you have another BC bar, which is buying climax. So it falls like this. And then Shah Saud is saying, sir, please understand me. Okay, Shah Saud ji, I will explain this thing. And then you have another trade right at the same point. Look at this. You had your first UT over here. You have another UT right over here. Another UT over here. And then it falls like crazy. So guys, this is how you can make your trades. Sell trades. So I will write down the question from Shah Saud ji. Shah Saud ji, your question was about BC bar. Okay, so explain BC bar. All right, so this is your question. Okay, I will explain this. So what happens then? Can we have some more selling trades? Well, yes, we can. Abhyas Kumar ji is there, but here price didn't reach at proper BC bar. Yeah, that's right. But you know, that's the problem of trading, Abhyas Kumar ji. If everything becomes so simple, then everybody can make profits, right? Right? So the markets are not very simple. The markets, they test your ability to think. Hello, Hemant Chandra ji. Thank you for coming. Okay, so what do we have over here? Again, another opportunity to sell. Why? Because this, I think, is the BC. Why this is BC? Because look at the volume. It is mid closing and the volume is ultra high, and the market comes down. And then what happens? You just put a line on the BC. Guys, I told you, just put a line on the BC bar. And then what happens? The market goes up and then falls down. What do? You make a sell trade right over here. Why? Guys, what's this? What's this one? What's this bar? This is a classic example of a UT bar, upthrust bar, isn't it? It is a classic example of UT, upthrust bar. Online Earning Ideas G is saying, sir, assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam, Shah Sahab. Okay, so this is where you make another sell trade and just put your TP where? I will show you how. So just sell over here and put your SL right over here and put your TP over here. How much? 4.5%. Sir, please, what's going on in XAU USD right now? It is oversold. Okay, I will look at this. I don't think it is oversold. No, I don't think it is oversold. No, it's not oversold yet. So what do, guys? This is GBP USD and this is early morning. So you can make a sell trade over here and just leave it, and you can earn how much? You have earned 4.5% from this single trade. Let us explore some more selling trades, shall we? This is the level, and you can see that this is fall through ice. The market is falling from here and then it is trying to go up again. It is trying to go up again but fails over here. What do? Just make another sell trade over here. But before doing this, you must protect your stop loss. So where is your stop loss? Your stop loss is over here. And first you put your stop loss. So you entered on this bar, right? Because this was the UT bar. So you already entered on this bar. Now your stop loss is over here. You first move your stop loss to this level and then you can make this trade one more time. So you have another trade. And then the market falls over here. And then it tries to go up, but it is failing because it is not able to go up. What do you have over here? This is an ND bar. You can see the volume is less than previous two volumes. So this is ND bar. This is ND bar. And then what happens? You have an upthrust. What is an upthrust? Where is the upthrust? Just look at this. The upthrust. Just look at this, guys. Just look at this. Another upthrust. Another sell trade. You can make a sell trade over here one more time. And then the market falls down like crazy. And then you have another sell trade over here. Because the downtrend is accelerating. Because now it is going to be London opening time. Mr. Ayubi is saying, Saeed, sir, are you from Hyderabad? No, I'm not from Hyderabad. You have another sell trade over here. Just sell here and you have downtrend. And other sell trade right over here. Another sell trade right over here. And then what happens? You keep making what? You keep making the downtrend channels. Just keep making the downtrend channels because they can be useful. So where do you put the point? Point 1 is this, and what's the point 2? So you put it over here. All right. So you have another downtrend. You put it like this, and you have another selling opportunity right over here, guys. Just look at this. You can have so many selling opportunities in a downtrend. If the market is in a downtrend, you can have so many selling opportunities in a single day. Guys, in a single day. Just imagine, I know your level is not that good that you can trade all of these things on the same day. But just imagine, if and only if you are able to learn all these setups. Of course, they will take a lot of time and a lot of practice, a lot of commitment from you. But if you only spend time on the markets, if you only work hard, guys, this is how much you can make. You can make a lot of money, really. Rajesh Ji is saying, how much leverage can I take if I have a trading capital of $2,000 for lesser risk? Rajesh Ji, just take the leverage of 50. 50 is I think good enough. Don't take more than 50. 50 leverage is good enough. Okay, just 50. But I think if you are a beginner, Rajesh Ji, if you are a beginner, then please don't make an account of $2,000. You can go for $1,000 first and then increase the balance. Happy Saurabh Kumar Ji, Namaste, thank you for coming. Rizwan Shaikh is saying, sir, can we use support and resistance indicator? This is good or not? No, it's not good. Don't use indicators, guys. Just make your own support and resistance lines. It's okay, happy Saurabh Kumar Ji. Saurabh Kumar Ji, thank you for coming. Okay, you are not a beginner, Rajesh Ji. That's great. That's a great news. Omer expert, I think yes. So, what do? You can make a lot of sale trades in a single day. So what is happening over here, you will just clone this point, just clone this and put it over here. But then you see it is becoming overbought. It is becoming oversold actually. It is coming hard down. Can you have more sell trades? Yes, you can. How do you get more sell trades? Well, look at this. This is a test, isn't it? This is a test. And the test is successful. That's why the market is going down. So when the market is going down, just sell over here. Maybe not over here. You can make a sell trade over here. And then the market falls. Can you make another sell trade? Well, yes, over here. Why? Because this is an upthrust. Just look at this, an upthrust. You can sell over here. One more time. Welcome, Rizwan Ji. Keep coming. I hope you will learn a lot of things from the webinars. You have another sell trade over here. Guys, look at this. So many sell trades in a single day. So many trades. So many. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 sell trades. I trade in crypto also. That's good. That's good. Sir, can you please explain how to close a trade? Okay. So Sakweji is asking how to close the trade. Okay, guys, now I will take your questions. I think I have given you enough examples. You can practice these examples. And okay, so how to close your trade? Okay, that's your question. And guys, can I please ask you to drop down everything over here and go first hit that like button for me. Thank you very much. Please do it right now. Pause the video, go and like the video and then come back. Rajesh Ji saying my TA is fine, but okay, technical analysis is fine, but risk management and discipline I must work on. You guys at Octa are really helping me with my discipline and risk management. Rajesh Ji, please, if you want to improve your trading, please keep coming back for these webinars, because these webinars can help you a lot. And you should also give us the feedback. If you want to give us feedback, if you want us to improve, please give us feedback. We will respond to that. Okay, done, sir. First like. Thank you so much, Rajesh Ji. And please guys, you also go and like the video, just like Rajesh Ji has done. Please go ahead and like the video. How to close half trade? Sheikh Abdul Rahim Ji, it's very, very simple. Just go to MT4 and click on the profit, double click on the profit, and you can close the half trades. Very, very simple. Okay, so now guys, I will take your questions. I am attending them regularly and improving. Rajesh ji, thank you. That's great. I'm really happy for you. Okay guys, so I hope you have more questions. If you have any questions, just you can throw them to me. I will take your questions. Okay, so first I will take the question of reaccumulation and distribution. All right, so reaccumulation and redistribution. What is a reaccumulation and what is a redistribution? I will explain this question number 1. Okay, so this is question number 1, reaccumulation and redistribution. So guys, what is a reaccumulation and what is a redistribution? A reaccumulation, remember, an accumulation will happen at a support level, right? So then it goes up, but then there is another accumulation and then the market goes up. So this is what we call reaccumulation. This is the simple idea. This is what we call reaccumulation. Very, very simple. But then you see there is, let's say there is an uptrend. It goes up like this. And you have a distribution over here, okay? So there is distribution. What happens after distribution? Thank you so much, Shasab. Thank you so much. What happens after distribution? The market falls down. But then it might also make another redistribution and then it will fall down one more time. Fall down one more time, just like this. So these areas are called reaccumulation. This area is also called reaccumulation. This area is called distribution. Abhyas Kumar is saying, is there any option for partial close in MT4 mobile? I don't think so. Abhyas ji, I think there is no option. I'm focusing on Euro USD pair. Am I doing right? Because it's too difficult to follow other pairs. Yes, you are doing very, very right. You are doing very, very right. Just focus on a single pair. Rajesh ji, just focus on a single pair. Okay, just focus on a single pair. You can also focus on maybe gold, but that should be in the evening, not in the morning, okay? Because in the morning the gold is not fast. So this is the question. The question was about reaccumulation and redistribution areas. So guys, this is okay. So I will make a circle over here. You can see this circle represents, okay, not a circle. Let's make another thing. Let's make something else. So this point right over here is called reaccumulation, and this thing over here is called redistribution, because this one you might know, this is distribution and this one right here is accumulation. Okay, so I will write down the names of these things. Accumulation, this is accumulation, this is reaccumulation, as you can say, reaccumulation. Of course, this one is distribution. Rizwan Sheikh ji, I hope you understand. Rajesh ji is saying, thank you, Sir Saeed. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, it's 9 p.m. now. Okay, let's go ahead now. So the next question, guys, you can also ask me more questions if you like. Guys, just ask me any questions, okay? You can ask me anything. The next one is any profits on gold. I think this question was asked by Ostino ji or Nubi Mark ji. So any profits on gold? Yes, there were so many profits on gold today. Actually, the gold market was so lovely today. It is always lovely. It is always lovely, especially in the New York session. It is fantastic, guys. It is simply awesome. So what I did, actually, I made a real trade myself. I made a trade myself. So let me tell you, where did I make a trade? I think I made a trade over here. Why? Why? You might ask why. Well, you can see that this thing right here is the distribution, isn't it? This is distribution. What do you do after a distribution? The distribution will push the market down, right? And it did push the market down. The market went down, but then it went up a little bit. And just look at this, guys. When the market is going up, the volumes are declining. The market falls from here, the volume is very high, but then the market tries to go up, and the volumes are declining, and the market is also not able to make any progress. Market is unable to go up. What do? Just sell over here You can also sell over here, but I think this is a better opportunity. Why? Can you see this is an upthrust? Guys, can you see this is actually an upthrust? Sheikh Abdul Rahim ji, I will give you the example of half close in the next webinar. Okay, the next webinar is gonna be on the next Wednesday. Actually, we also have a webinar on this Monday, guys. This Monday we have a webinar. So on Monday, the next week, I will have two webinars. One is on Monday and the other one is on Wednesday. Every Wednesday I have a webinar. So please, if you want to learn and ask me questions, you can always come on Wednesday. Okay. Rajesh ji is saying I use support and resistance trend channels and 20 and 50 EMA for trading setup. That's okay. Yeah, you can use it. That's right. So guys, what's this one? This one is very, very clear upthrust, isn't it? It is an upthrust. So what do? Just sell over here. And this was my TP over here. I think I sold over here. Here I made the sale trade just over here, and my TP was around this level. Yeah, this one. That's it. These were the profits in gold today. Actually, there were also so many other profits. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if you have any more questions. I think there are some more questions, guys. I will take your questions. So the next question, any profits in gold? Yes, there were. Okay, explain BC bar. Okay, I will give you the examples of BC. I have already given you the examples, but now I will theoretically explain. So what is the theory behind a BC bar? A BC bar will happen at the end of an uptrend. The shape of the bar will be like this. So it will be a mid-close bar. It is usually a mid-close bar like this. Mid-close bar. It is usually a mid-close bar. So if you see a bar like this, and the volume is also ultra high. The volume is ultra high. So let's say these are the volumes, okay? So these are the volumes. For example, these are the volumes. The volumes are increasing, but not much. And then you have volumes like this and like this. So normal volumes are these. So this is the volume of a BC bar, ultra high volume. It will be green volume because the bar is also green, but ultra high volume. You will see an ultra high volume. And after this BC bar, the market falls down. This is the signature of the BC bar. So the market falls down. So this one right here is the example of a BC bar. This is how a BC bar, you can identify a BC bar, okay? Okay, Shah Sahab is asking, sir, after accumulation and reaccumulation, is it possible that the market makes second reaccumulation or not? It will make a distribution. Shah Sahab ji, it is always possible that the market will make another accumulation, another reaccumulation. It is always possible, yes. But you need to understand, the structure of the market. The market structure will tell you. The market structure will always tell you, okay? So what happens over here, this is the BC bar, and after this the market falls down. So this is how we call it the BC bar. How to close your trade? Okay, so there are several ways in which you can close your trade. Closing the trade. One, you can close manually in MT4. You can just click the cross button and it will close. Number two, your TP is achieved. That will also close your trade, of course. Number three, your SL gets hit. These are the ways in which you can close your trade. Thanks, sir, I understand. Okay, welcome. So guys, this is how you can do it. Okay, let's go ahead now and I will remove everything over here because I am going to give you some trading recommendations, guys. So somebody asked me about GBP JPY. Okay, I will go to another chart and GBP JPY. So what's happening in GBP JPY, guys? I will go to 1 hour time frame. I think there is a heavy uptrend in GBP JPY right now, and I can already see that there was an accumulation over here, but then There was an accumulation over here, and then the market went up, and there was a spring and another reaccumulation. After reaccumulation, the market is going up. So do we have any resistance over here? Well, yes, because I think this was a resistance. Now it will be turned into support. Now it will be turned into support. So what I will do is, this is 1 hour time frame. I will wait for the market to come down to this level, slowly come down, and it will go up like this and then come down from, I think you are from Nigeria, right? Ohanis ji, are you from Nigeria? If you are from Nigeria, please give me your time frame. What is your time frame? And at what time frame are you asking me? Thanks octafx for providing such a friendly teacher like you, sir. Salamat rahe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shasab ji. Thank you so much for your best wishes, and I hope these things are helping you. Okay, this is 1 minute time frame, and I can show you plenty of springs and up thrusts on 1 minute time frame. Just look at this. This is 1 minute time frame spring, right? And this is 1 minute time frame up thrust. This very simple idea, up thrust, very simple up thrust. Then the market falls down like this, and you have another spring over here, and the market goes up, and then market is in a range now. I think this is an up thrust. This is an up thrust. Okay, so I will go for another recommendation, USD CHF. Somebody asked me about USD CHF, USD CHF. USD CHF 4 hour time frame, right? So 4 hour time frame. I will go to 4 hour time frame, and let's see what's happening in USD CHF. Guys, I think I can see that the market might be oversold over here. So what I will do now, I think this might be a buying climax. This might be a BC bar. So I will not do anything yet, but I will wait for the market to come to these two levels. One is this one. So this is one important level. This is one important level. So this is an important level, and other important level is this one, just over here. Okay. So what I will do is, over the next few days, I will wait for the market. Maybe it might go down like this, but then it slowly goes up like this, and then makes an up thrust over here. Then I will sell. This is what I will do on USD CHF. Okay, welcome Ohanis ji, welcome. Thank you for asking these questions, guys. Please keep asking me questions. And the last recommendation is about USD CHF. Okay, so I will USD JPY. It was about USD JPY, right? So this is USD JPY. What's happening in USD JPY, guys? I will go to 1 hour time frame. The Japanese yen seems to be in a very heavy uptrend because there was this spring. Guys, look at this. This was a spring. This was the spring, the beginning of an uptrend. It was the beginning of an uptrend. So what's happening over here? I will not do anything yet. I will wait for the market to give me a BC bar, a buying climax bar. And I don't see any BC bar. It might happen. Actually, it might happen. The BC bar might come at this level. Why? Because there is this important resistance coming up now. So what I will do is, I will wait for the market to hit this level and then come down. And then slowly, if the market goes up and gives me an opportunity over here, then I will make a sell trade. For now, there is nothing to do in USD JPY because US will increase the debt ceiling in June. So what impact will it have on Euro USD and Forex market? Okay, so I will briefly explain this. US debt ceiling increase. So when the market, cookie account is saying USD JPY 4 hour at resistance can be a good shot. Not yet. No, don't do that. Not now. Because it might just zip through the resistance. It might not even do anything to the resistance. Lift ही नहीं करवाएगा resistance को. फिर आप क्या करोगे? So don't do this. When it goes to the resistance and it falls down, and then it slowly comes back up to the resistance, there is your selling opportunity. Before that, don't do anything. Don't do anything, okay? So if the US debt ceiling increases, that means the USD will go down. That means USD value will fall. And if USD value falls, then what will happen? Then these things will happen. The value of these assets will increase. Which ones? 1, GBP. Number 2, Euro. Number 3, XAU USD. So these will increase in value. Okay guys, now I think we are already beyond our time mark. USD JPY in 1 hour is above 80, but even then, don't do it. Don't do it. Vijay Kumar ji, sometimes it goes so far up कि वो लिफ्ट ही नहीं कराता RSI को. So just don't do it, okay? So guys, that's the end of our webinar today. Thank you so much for coming. Please, before you go, just go ahead and like this video. Thank you so much for your cooperation. I will see you in the next video with a lot of best wishes and prayers. I hope you will keep on making money from the markets. Thank you so much for everything, and thank you so much for coming. Guys, I like your questions. I like you all. I love you all. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Take care and good night.